Batwoman, single. Superwoman, single. Wonder Woman, single. I get it now. I'm single because I'm a superhero.
But before start, make sure to like, subscribe, and thank at the bell to bring and test the Star Wars in your friend last episode. Enjoy the video.
This is breaking news on LNN, the Lego News Network. I'm Orion Smolinski, reporting on Ivory City volcano lava. After a harrowing experience, let's talk to a few of the Sheila to hear about. This is Rhonda. She's local gas station clerk. Tell us, Rhonda, what was it like?
Thank you, Ryan Smolinski. Oh, it was awful. I missed the whole day of work and Volcano Island that I can't be employee of the lava magma no more. That means I gotta pay for the extra lava.
Oh my god! The fire lava, the volcano about this. Okay, so. Oh shit, the we got lava, the volcano lava. Okay, fire. Fire! Okay. Very good. Okay. So, 30 seconds. Oh. Okay, very good, very good. Oh my god, that's a real fire. Fire, fire. Good enough this one, Cavalier. Eric, let's see. What's up, right? Yeah, oh no. I'm sorry. Very good. Good idea, right? Fire. Oh no. Hurry, hurry. Sheila, hurry. Get in the scene. Oh shit, there's a fire again. Okay, then. Okay. Something get up. Get him. I'll get this guy here again. Get the light up. Oh no, sorry. There we go. Oh, the big kids today is still Ow, my fire flaming. What is that walking around being lava? Okay, that's next to the lava. Good. Oh, my full flaming hot. Good now. Get a picture of what? Okay, very nice, very nice. That's a really fire. Get them. He's ready for you, others. Oh my god, I'm flaming hot to give you. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. So, I'll get it here. That's a really hot lava. Okay. Okay. So to the filling lava. Okay, that's very good, very good. Flaming in lava. What? Get him. Okay, there's a put it in. Flaming hot. Okay. Ah! Dang it. I can feel me do videos. So you could add to like the keys up and down. Okay. So we're gonna take it under the logo. I'll bring it in the next time we do the same. You know. Oh my god, lava! Run, Sheila! Run! Run again for you! Oh, what's this? What's this? What is this? Okay, this one. Captain Furious. Okay, let's go again, let's go. I come for you. Ah! Oh my god. Start playing in lava. Oh, you can't do this. Oh no. We made it. Yes. We're coming home. Okay, sorry. Sir, I come to see you again. Oh, it's time it's coming. Oh, this time it's coming. See? Okay, that's it for the episode. Subscribe to the channel and leave it down below. There is a comment section item. Let me know if you listen to the match. So thank you for the subscribe to celebrations. I'll do it trying to say I'll learn you next time. Okay, thanks again. Bye bye, lovers. Let me see you in the prayer log. My god,